I'm not a conventional guy, so some of these things don't get to me as quickly as they get to you. And what it is actually a thin Plano 3700 box. You know, the original boxes are like this right here. Basically, I have dozens and dozens of these. They're about that thick, you know, and I label these so that I know what's in them. I got dozens of them, bunch. Well, I was on, you know, looking at the shelves. Probably I was trying to spend a gift certificate or something, and guess what I found? This is the 3701. The 3701, as you can see, is a little more than half as thick, a little bit more than half as thick as the original 3700. Now, 3700 is a legendary Plano box, legendary. And in this configuration, it actually has the rust-away type dividers in it. I put those in. I switch out my boxes about every five years probably, and just update them to so the snaps. You know, the snaps actually. There's a snap missing on this one, so that'll get taken out of circulation and used for nuts and bolts or something like that. So get yourself the 3701's. They're about 10 bucks. They're a little more expensive for a smaller box, but the thickness difference, you can see just about a little more than half as thick as the 3700. And what makes this so great is when you're like me, if you're either traveling or you are, you know, backpacking with flies, I hate going distance, whether it's 50 miles or 500 miles, which is more typical, is 500, and not having all the flies I would possibly consider having. And you know, usually guys that go along with, or I go along with them, I give them all the flies they need too when we're on the road. So that's how that works. 3701 by Plano. It says 5-34 on the front. I think that's just 5 across and 34 possibilities. Imagine these boxes for your tiny flies, for trout flies, and for carp flies and things like that. Absolutely perfect. So that's the Plano 3700, guys. 3701, actually. Get you some of those, swap them out, get rid of the old thick ones.